next time you've got an event, forget this. You're going to want to get yourself the Space Cowboy Hat 2000. Oh baby, check it out. Comes with a remote, many different features. Wait. Yeah, oh yeah. I guarantee, if you walk into a bar with one of these babies on, you're going to be able to pick up so many guys who ask you, hey, where'd you get that cool hat? You'll want to get yourself some light strips. I got mine on Amazon. And make sure they say addressable or pixel. That means they'll be changing colors and doing all the cool effects, not just red, green and blue. Just as a prototype, I've coiled them around my rubbish bin, and soon I'll be putting them on this hat here, just to be a cool thing I can show them off with. The issue is they're American, so not only do they have this big power brick, but they need an adapter as well. So I'm going to have to sort out a lithium battery pack for that. I'll run the wires through a hole on the top. I'm going to start at the top, and I've done my first round, just poking wire through and tying it on the inside. And I'm just going to continue all the way around. Make sure to start stepping it down for that first run, and then you'll be all good for the rest of the way. Okay, all the lights are on the hat, looking pretty cool. Got all the, here's the start and here's the end, tucked them all inside. There's all the connections. Just got to work on the battery now. So it's taped to each other. I've done it in 4 places around the hat, and put a piece of tape on every time. Doesn't really stick to the hat, but what's happening is it's hanging basically off of these wires I've put on the first row, and then it all just tapes to that. So it's fairly sturdy. Here's the battery pack I'm going to be using. It's made up of 6 lithium cells. Got it from my e-scooter that I dismantled. You have to order a battery management system, BMS board, online. I got this one on Amazon, and it basically will take care of charging and making sure the battery doesn't discharge too much. And it's a 3S, which means it can take 3 in series. So they're about 4 volts each, so 4 times 3 is 12 volts. Just going to use the cord that came with the power brick here. But just before I cut it off, I'm just going to check that the middle is positive. There we go, 12.5, middle is positive. And off of the battery we've got 12.46, pretty good lineup. We've just crimped on the connectors, did not forget the heat shrink this time. And I've checked the polarity and it's all good. We'll just shrink these on. And there we go, let's give it a go. Nice. And we have a hat. So there we have it. You can light up the whole bloody room with this hat. I'll just run through some of the features. So we've got your traditional pick a colour, and you can change the brightness as well. I'll turn it up, looks cooler. We'll run through the features here of the Space Cowboy hat. A couple of lines. You can adjust the speed at which it runs through its cycle too. There's about 100 different things. I don't even know if I've gone through them all yet, ever. I've got to figure out how long the battery lasts too, but it's a pretty hefty battery. I haven't attached it to anything yet, but there's enough room in there, it just sits on my head. Oh yeah. Alright, as always guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good one.